พบกับเราทีมทนายความดร.กิติศักดิ์เนติบัณฑิตไทยทนายความวิถีพุทธ
Hi everyone, I'm Nick, assistant lawyer of Dr. Getisak and the lawyer team. Today, we are going to talk about the regulation of visiting the inmate. As from the last video that we talked about who are prohibited by law from visiting the inmate, but this video we will talk about the regulation that force the visitor that must comply with its regulations. The first one, the visitor must stay in the area designated by the prison to be a place to visit or contact with the inmate. Second, the visitor must refrain from any act causing material to enter or leave the prison or receive it from or delivered to inmate without permission from the prison official. In the event that he wishes to give money to the inmate, it must be deposited to the prison staff provided by the prison for that purpose or other methods prescribed by the Department of Corrections. Third, the visitor must not to suggest, persuade, to show manner or give any sign to the inmate for wrongdoing or wrong discipline for the inmate, and does not act as a means of contacting inmate regarding prohibited items under the law of the correction. Fourth, the visitor must speak in Thai and pronounce loudly enough for the inmate of the prison and the prison officer are able to hear your sentence or your conversation. You will be able to speak other languages only when the prison officials give you a permission to speak that language, which some of our clients who are a foreigner, he has to find a translator to translate the whole conversation between him and our lawyer team, so the officials can understand it, which it could take times. That yes, the time to visit the prisoner is limited, so please thinking about the questions you're going to ask the prisoners, so please be on time. The fifth, the visitor must allow the prison officials to listen to the conversation. Recording video or audio are allowed, but if the officials order you to cut off the communication, you must comply with them. And if it is considered that it is inappropriate for the message to be discussed, in such event, the prison officials may arrange you to visit or contact the prisoner by talking through communication tools provided by the prison. Sixth, the visitor must not taking pictures or drawing images and give it to the prisoners, or write a plan or map of the prison unless it is approved by the Department of Corrections and notified the prison commander first. So if you take a photo in the prison, you may got expelled from the prison, and you will lose time. You will waste your time to make a new appointment with the prison. You will waste time with it. 7. The visitor must not using phones or other communication tools while visiting or contacting the inmate. But this can be accepted by the prison officials that may give you a permission to use the phones, which you have to file a petition to the commissioner's office to use the phones or communication tools. 8. The visitor must comply with the prison regulations and orders of the prison personnel operating by duty. However, if you don't comply with the state regulations by law, the visitor who are not allowed or are allowed to visit or contact the inmate have violated this regulation. The prison officers has the power to banish you or expel you from the prison area. And if there is any resistance, the prison officer has the power to banish you or expel you by forces from the prison. So, the officer can dismiss you from the prison if you violate their regulations or an inappropriate behavior. Lastly, I, as assistant lawyer of Dr. Ke and the lawyer team, would like to thank you for watching us. If you have any questions or any problem right now, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are glad to help you. We care you. Thank you.